Oke, kembali lagi bersama saya John Battle. So, kita kali ini akan melanjutkan karir mode Sassuolo ya. Di pertandingan sebelumnya atau di episode sebelumnya, suara saya ternyata tidak ke-record, Pak. Di sini saya akan balik settingan ultimate lagi lah, bodoh amat ya. Autentik, terus taktikal, dinamik lah ya. Itu nggak kerekam, saya nggak terlalu ngecek UBS Pak, ternyata Pak. Anjir lah, nggak apa. Oke, sebelum kita ke pertandingan, saya akan sedikit otak-atik formasi ya. Bentar. Enggak. Apa tadi? Training aja dulu. Kita passing. Nah, oke kita ini. Jadi saya sudah nge-record, cuman suaranya nggak ke-record Pak. Cuman gamenya aja. Astaga, Turati. GG Turati. Anjir, Holsek Pak. Oke, Circati menang duel. Astaga, Holosek. Gallagher sih GG sih Pak. Lihat, boom, langsung masuk Gallagher. Sekali lagi Gallagher. Anjing, gelo Gallagher. Aduh. Oke. Continue. Kita langsung menghadapi Sassuolo. Ya, pergantian pemain. Ras itu perlu diganti. Circati dan juga saya akan Giras boleh. Leroy starter jangan dulu lah, nanti aja lah. Kabar boleh main lah nanti, Kabar. Dur belum pernah main Pak, kasihan ya. Oke. Langsung ke Blue Energy Stadium di markas dari Udinese ya.
With the trust of the players and the fans' approval sky high right now, this manager clearly has won the hearts of everyone at the football club. Hello and thanks for joining us on a lovely day for a game. I'm Guy Mowbray, joined for commentary by Stuart
Kita ultimate ya, apapun yang terjadi tetap ultimate.
Coming up, it's Udinese and they play Sassuolo.
The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Here's the Udinese team sheet.
Well, it's a defensive-looking lineup, but if the wing-backs break forward, the midfield can get close to the front pair, and the front two can link up with each other, they should still cause problems today.
Here's the
Kita main
Sassuolo
sabar-sabar aja lah.
Well, in this shape, unless their wing-backs play further forward, there won't be any width in their attacks, which then puts a lot of pressure on the strikers to provide the goal threat.
Could turn out to be a really good
Jangan
ball.
tabrakan dong.
Ball lost and gratefully received. For the lead now.
Astaga, cowok masih di blok. Rio Gumoha. Bang Jai,
Delivered in
keluarkan
the box.
sihirmu Bang Jai. Anjir.
Well, that promising attack has been stopped.
Keumpan ke
He's
Marimovic.
a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him for the right reasons today, though?
Well, the stats tell you everything. He's a top-class striker. Even when he's having a quiet game, he can still pop up with a goal, as we may well see today.
This could be dangerous.
Anjir,
But
Cuk.
being tracked all
Potong, Jo.
Kingsley Ezebue.
Oke, masih melebar tendangan dari
Just seen why not.
Not the
striker
best option
Sassuolo
taken
tadi
there.
ya, atau pemain
Slight rush of
Sassuolo.
blood, I think.
Gallagher.
Aduh, kok ke situ kok.
That's a good ball.
Gumoha. Astaga, anjir.
Tackle cleared
Masih
it away.
bisa dong.
What a piece of defending
Cok,
that
Serie A
was.
kualitasnya kayak gini anjing.
Oh, lovely skill to
Di
beat his
real life
marker.
tolol semua di sini GG, Pak. Wakil UCL
Deliver a good ball in.
Serie A Italian gugur semua ya. Atalanta masih ada sih dibantai sama Munchen.
Patient build up as they look to make it count and take the lead. Put them ahead. It's in. Deadlock broken.
Holsek.
And just how crucial could that prove to be?
Berapa match dia? Anjir, 10 match baru 2 gol.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go
Langsung
for power.
ditutup, Pak.
It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper
Itu kalau
no
Holsek
chance.
nggak maju ke situ sih saya nggak tahu mau ngumpan kemana ya. Cuman Gumoha ini untuk tusuk-tusuk di Serie A harusnya bisa lah. Dengan pace yang segitu. Oke, Berardi.
This is a positive looking move.
Nice.
Taken
Oke, Turati.
out of trouble.
Kun, kosong Kun.
Loja.
Kita main sabar dulu ya.
On to Gallagher.
Maju. Astaga, offside.
But the celebrations will stop there.
Well, that was tight, but he was just offside. It was a good finish, though.
Masa kita harus pakai false nine untuk narik dua center back mereka ya?
Switched on and ready to intercept there. Setting up the chance. Should score here. Blocked his lines there.
Well, has that just let them off the hook?
Ganti ultimate ya, kemarin sempat main legendary Pak, tetap kalah. Mana Napoli. Gallagher. Kun. Oke,
Well, that
babak
whistle,
pertama
the first half comes to an end.
ya, unggul sementara kita.
And the second half kicks off with 45 more minutes ahead of us. Wouter Berger. On to Gallagher. Berger. Nicholas Kuhn. That's not a bad looking ball.
Wah anjir, backnya tinggi cok. Padahal kan back Udinese yang sempat kita incer tinggi itu back center back kanan itu. Wah kayak 6'6" ya, 6'6".
Turnaround in possession. Excellent positioning.
Astaga, Holsek kemana? Bentar, tenang. Kun kosong.
He's asked plenty of questions of the back line. Certainly been difficult to contain.
He took his goal well and was a constant threat throughout that first half. I thought he showed a lot of skill to get out of tight situations, and he had a real impact on the play.
Played in with that. Worth a go.
Muat. Alah,
And keeps it in his grasp.
ngapain refleks. Aduh, serangan balik gagal kan Turati.
A reminder that we have more coverage from Serie A coming up on
maju.
the ATV as Udinese face
Aduh.
Fiorentina.
Oh, big moment here.
Alah, offside. Sering offside kenapa? Saya telak itu ya. Duel. Marimovic gak bisa duel.
Time to get creative from here. Big chance here.
Cok, kiper cok.
Saves.
Sumpah.
Superb reflexes.
Gak pernah ketemu kiper tolol ini.
Well, under no real pressure, but
Gantian pemain dulu lah. Ayo Leroy. Nggak ada, oke. Masih aman lah.
able to keep it in play.
Nggak pernah Pak kita ketemu kiper tolol sekali aja.
20 minutes to go. Kuhn. This is really nice stuff. Another goal at the end of all this would be fitting. Oh, real
Gumoha.
opportunity.
Astaga, good
Pretty
job.
good save by the keeper. Zaraga. Sandy Lovric.
Circati, GG maju.
This is a good run. Now, can he pick out the right option?
Astaga Kun, good job Kun.
Away.
Duel. Marimovic.
Minutes to go. Berger. Good ball, that could be in. And that should do it. A two-goal cushion to rest on until the end.
Siap. Portrait celebration, Gallagher.
Well, here's the goal
Salah satu
again, and
pembelian
it's a great
sukses
ball to
kita
put
si
it through.
Gallagher nih.
Good vision to set up the chance.
Asis lagi-lagi
And he
dari
makes the finish
Berardi
look
aja.
so easy. What a good goal that is.
Kayaknya kita main sabar.
So the lead is now 2 as the game restarts. Here's Ibue.
Wisah, Gumoha ganti pemain dulu. Gak ada yang capek sih Pak sebenarnya Pak. Cuman Keber boleh main lah. Sama si Piras, Metik, Sulemana kah? Oke. Udah habis ya. Oke. Apa yuk? 4 menit, 4 menit.
He's had a terrific influence on the game, but now being called off after a job well done. Zaraga. Oh, could be a chance here. Zaraga.
Oke.
And the
Kemenangan
referee
penting ya.
brings the game to a close, with the points going back with the visitors.
Well, fairly comfortable at the
Bisa
end,
loh kalau
wasn't it?
kita main sabar sebenarnya. Secara shooting kita menang Pak. Asal sabar aja ya. Oke, ini dia John Battle ya, mempersembahkan kemenangan pertama di episode kali ini. Semoga ini menjadi pertanda yang sangat positif untuk kedepannya bagi Sassuolo.
È tutto. Grazie ancora per la...
Siap. Job opportunity, Crystal Palace, Brighton, no. Mungkin next ya. Osula. Sula ini salah satu striker yang kita incar kemarin ya. Adalah ditulis. Kita lihat penampilan Hulsek. Oke, si Doik minta naik gaji sepertinya. Kita gaskan aja. Penampilannya sejauh ini cukup memuaskan lah. Kontrak 5 tahun. No. Kita naikkan 14, mau gak dia? Anjir. Oke. Itu dia. Oke, Doik. Good job. Ntar Coppa Italia kapan ya? Hah? Hah? Udah pernah, Pak. Saya sampai enggak ngeh loh, Pak. League friend, oh langsung. Terus selanjutnya Coppa Italia melawan Como. Sekarang Serie A. Oke, di Liga kita klasemen 12 ya. Masih jauh. Berarti harusnya masuk si top skor. Wah, peringkat kedua. Oke, masih ini ya mereka ya. Langsung saja kita advance. Oke, melawan Como. 5-2-3. Anjir. Oke. Siapa takut kan? CIC anjir, panggil timnas. Oke. 80 nggak usah. Anjir, 14 tahun dong. Alah, nggak usah Pak, nggak usah anjing. Ini kiper ya. Oke, 16 tahun. 14 tahun. Tapi tinggi Pak ini Pak. Ini nggak usah. Kita masukkan. 2 ini ya. Pellegrini ini mantap sih. Siapa yang bisa kita promosikan lagi? Sien Marti. Ini yang pesi banget, Buffett. RW Moretti. Esposito. Ini buang aja lah. Kita sign dia ya. Oke. Youth Scout. Ntar. Di midfielder berarti ya. Di posisi central midfielder kita butuh. Central midfielder, kita cari central midfielder di Itali. Ya, the next Tonali, the next Pirlo atau siapalah. Di playing box to box. Vision, long pass, short pass, ball control. Playmaker. Oke. kita cari juga di posisi yang sama ya. Dari center back. Enggak, kita cari gelandang, penghasil gelandang terbaik. Oh, Spain. Ya, Iniesta, Xavi ya. Ya, dua inilah. Box to box, deep lying, central half tentunya. Oke, gas. Oke, itu udah berangkat ya agent kita. So, kita training dulu sambil belajar finishing untuk si Losek tentunya. Apa itu, Pak? Insif pass, oke. Offside anjing. Gallagher udah pasti GG lah, Pak. Boom. Boom. Gallagher nih, bos. Torsvet. Oke. Langsung aja continue. Dan kita ke pertandingan melawan Como. Oke. Kita bisa memainkan beberapa pemain. Circati tadi bermain bagus, Pak, situ, Pak. Kabar. Anjir, tapi lawan Como anjing. Ntar. Saya nggak berani otak-atik dulu. Kiper Turati lah sementara. Oke, gas.
It's league action today, and there's a lot to fight for, with every point gained so crucial to their chances of success. As it always is in this league, every moment matters. It's on the way for you next, right here on EA TV. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, delighted to be in the company of Stuart Robson. And we've got action for you from Serie A coming up. What are your expectations from this?
Well, a quick start to the game is all important here today, and I'm sure both managers will have drilled that into the players. But they also have to play
dari Atletico ke
understanding. It should be a good game.
Sassuolo. Hajar asu. Cuk, sumpah kiper kiper lawan anjing.
That's a real statement of intent from both sides, isn't it?
Wah.
And it's pinched Reddy's mind there.
Just saw what was coming, didn't he?
Asing Dosena. Pras. Oke, Pras. Tenang dulu.
Pascal Struijk. On to Gallagher.
Alah, ngawur si Torsvet, cuk, passing, cuk.
Making decent progress here.
Hmm.
Oh, that's really
Mantap,
well
Pascal Struijk.
Loge. Nicholas Kuhn. Looking to cut inside.
Alah, nggak ada. Torsvet, ngapain kamu mendekati back lawan? Oke.
It's out of play. It'll be a throw now.
Harus mencuri gol cepat ya tentunya.
Gallagher. Keeping the ball, but being kept at bay with the sides locked level.
Yeah, they're just looking for an opening here. Very patient stuff.
Offside kah?
Defense
Anjir,
regains
onside.
control. Lucas Acuna. Acuna. Read the pass
Alah.
well and cuts it out. Played in with that. to take the lead.
Turati GG.
Decent stop, did what was
Duel
needed.
mekanik kedua kiper.
It's been delivered. Good
Anjir,
just
Torstvedt.
Well, he met it well. but
Torstvedt
just
permainannya nggak
missed it.
sebagus
Has a chance.
musim lalu ya. Tutup banget sama si Gallagher.
On to Gallagher. Nicely played through.
Astaga, salah pak. Gallagher. Wah, kalah ya. Oh, Fadera ya, kiri ya. Nah ini. Oh iya Pak Fadera.
A really good interception to take the ball. Gallagher. They found a way through.
Keeper.
Wonderful stop from the
Jancuk.
keeper.
Well, he's got to be pleased with
Ih,
that
Cuk.
save. It's absolutely magnificent.
Here it comes.
Pascal.
Well, it was looking good, but there it's ended. Berardi. And a change in possession.
Riomoha.
Well, they defend those areas really well.
Acuna. Oh, could be here. This for the lead. Should score. Oh,
Mahal
what a
save
keeping.
Turati.
Well, it's a great stop from that distance. He's
Menyala
reacted so
Turati.
quickly.
And the ball comes in. And a nervy clearance. Still pressure. They could be in trouble here.
Wih,
Waiting for the right moment.
oke, babak pertama habis ya.
That whistle brings the first half to a close.
Kedua pemain saling serang, kedua klub. Ini Tepat. Bagus Cuk. Oke, itu dia John Battle sedang ngasih tahu ya
Well, little to
strategi
choose
kita di babak
between the
kedua.
two sides as we start the second half. Pascal Struijk. Torstvedt.
Tuh,
Perfectly anticipated. Really well won. And the anticipation rising with this move. To put them ahead.
bih,
What a save. Razor
mahal
sharp
Turati. Niko pas masuk.
And here comes a change. The corner taken short. Delivered into the box. And it could get caught out on the break here.
Kun maju Kun.
Just needs the composure now. First goal of the match.
Kun.
Broken.
Kun Aguero. Kun. Kun, kasih tahu Kun selebrasi dengan kita Kun.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Kun, mahal kun.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again. Really nicely
Yeah.
played. What can they do with this now?
Aduh,
He
Boncay.
stands tall and keeps it out brilliantly.
Buang. Nah. Losek.
Serie A fare
Oke,
continues to
Losek.
come your way on EA TV as Sassuolo face Roma. A game that
Asu,
could be a
asu.
cracker. We certainly hope so.
Ntar. Ini mengganggu sekali, Pak. Semi ground pass assistant. Sumpah nggak kurang, Cuk.
Working the ball really nicely. And it's
Turati.
overdone. It'll be keeper's ball.
The
Boom.
idea was certainly right.
Conor Gallagher.
Astaga, lama. Saya yang lama maksudnya.
And the defence
Doi.
regains control. A chance now for a quick transition. Still making forward progress. Having a try. Not far away with the final attempt.
Berarti ganti ya. Skelerup. Boleh. Full sex itu. Ngumoha enggak. Torsvet. Kita lihat lah ya.
Well, it's just off target, but what a good counter-attack that was.
Doi.
Conor Gallagher. Kamaldeen Sulemana.
Aduh. Alah.
Cut out the pass. Robertson. Robertson. 10 minutes left for play. Getting to that stage where it has to happen for them.
Doik.
And
Doik.
that's where it ends.
Remember the name, Doik.
Good ball, decent looking attack this. Oh, it must be hit.
Su, kiper
Well,
cok.
that's what he's there for. It's a good stop.
Anjing.
Robertson. Not long to go now. Have they done enough here? Just edging it.
Well, it's going to be a nervy end to this game. But if they do hold on, I think they've deserved their win. They've played really well and they've played some good attacking football. And in general, they've controlled the game.
Adam Hojek. Gets the score.
Anjir.
A two-goal pusher.
Ryonggu
The rest
Moha.
till the end.
First goal in 10 appearance. Ryonggu Moha. Ya. Saya tahu sekarang cara mengalahkan tim-tim Serie A.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease. And it's just a change of pace. But you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here?
Ya
I
kan?
think so.
Langsung.
Can't be beaten at your near post like that.
Buh, mahal Rio. Oke, kita ganti-ganti beberapa pemain lah ya. Kita mainkan Solemana di depan. Kita ganti mainkan si Matic. Cumi. Oke. Langsung habis sih itu. Oke, menang penting kedua.
With the home fans in positive mood, that's the win they came to see.
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park well. Going forward, there's some really nice incisive play too. It's a good result for them.
Well, he's performed admirably, a really good performance. Managed to put his stamp on the game.
Yeah, he'll be happy coming off the pitch. He worked hard, he was always involved in the game, and he scored a very good goal. That was an impressive performance today.
Oke, akhirnya setelah sekian lama ya kita lihat matchnya, kita unggul di 6 shot. Kun, anjir ya, ball position 50-50 setelah sekian lama mencari korek.
Grazie per aver accettato di rispondere alle nostre domande. Grazie ancora per il suo tempo.
Oke, siap. Sebelas gol dalam 11 match. Assist 4, rating 7,9. Anjir. What the hell? Tenang, Torsvet. Oke, kita save dulu kali ya. Biar agak tenang lah. Set, kita peringkat 7 sekarang. Anjir, Alfonsi sama Endur belum pernah main, cedera anjing. Oke, lawan AS Roma ya, tim besar ya kali ini. Siong juga. Set forward semua. Oh, dia udah mentok sih ya. Stamina sih dia, Pak. Holding midfielder. Oke. Match training dulu. Ya. Bukan ini tadi. Nah, ini. Adik saya tadi. Roket, anjir Valverde, cok. Semalam hat-trick kan. Anjir, ngapain ke situ? Aduh, kurang kenceng kah? Prom. Gak bisa sih ini dapat A. Wih, Turati GG. Ready drill lah ya. Oke. Astaga, Lusek sundulan apa itu? Valverde. Aduh, nggak ke tengah sih. Weh. Astaga. Oke, sudah. Perfect ya. Penan analisis 3421. Kita bisa simpan Ryungu Moha terlebih dahulu. Untuk gelandang tetap itulah ya gelandang kita. 5 hari. 19 hari bangke. Leroy, anjing Leroy ini harus mendapat jam terbang ya. Oke, lawan Roma. Tak gentar lah.
The atmosphere is electric as two teams worthy of the biggest stage prepare to collide in front of a packed stadium.
Easily,
hello to you and welcome
goals
to another
in last
exciting
match.
game brought to you
Langsung
by
Olimpico
EA TV.
Roma.
My name's Guy Mowbray and alongside me is Sue Smith for commentary, and we've got action for you from Serie A coming up. It's Roma and they play Sassuolo.
Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
Here's the Roma team sheet. Gianluca Mancini plays alongside Evan Ndika in the centre-back positions, and leading the attack is Paulo Dybala.
Astaga, Tosfet tetap.
Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Yeah, it's a 3-4-2-1, and this is quite a narrow formation, so it's key that the two wing-backs provide the width. The front three, I'm sure they'll combine in attack, and maybe another midfielder join in as well.
Astaga, ya Allah. Berarti, cok, maksudku, cok. Sumpah.
Unsurprising who we've picked out as our player to watch here. What are we expecting to see from him today, Sue?
Yeah, he scored a brace last time out, and that's why I picked him. Clever movement, always looking for space and thinking ahead. He's just got a real energy about him, which I'm sure we're going to see again today.
Pras. Mahal.
Torstvedt.
Pras. Lebar Pras.
Pascal Struijk.
Anjir, ngapain situ,
Turnaround
Pak?
possession. Excellent positioning. That's a good ball.
Manu Kone ya. Caran kita juga.
Wadio Manu Kone. Should score here.
Pras GG.
Ball comes in. And curvy clearance. Still pressure. Played in with that. Keeping it nicely, just waiting to pounce and put themselves in front. Kone. Now, this might be promising. And that's how to deal with it. Nicely gathered.
Tenang.
The goal's been scored in one of the other games. Alex Scott has the news.
Yeah, it's a goal for Torino. It was a poor clearance, and it was far too easy for him after that.
Gak bisa, Pak. Susah. Gak ada celah.
With 27 minutes played.
And Alex will keep us updated.
Tuh, passingmu, Cok. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Wadio Manu Kone. No sign of stopping yet. And that's where it ends. Conor Gallagher.
Oke, maju. Duh, Berardi. Sorry.
On to Angelino. Ndeka. Now Angelino. Paulo Dybala.
Dybala.
On to Angelino.
Run.
Great reading of the game. Pass played through perfect.
Sikat.
It's not clear yet.
Mantap.
Oh, they've scored now.
Monteiro.
You have to feel for the goalkeeper, having to keep them out single-handedly. Where were the defenders?
As the replay shows, the goalkeeper does everything he can.
Chevalier GG sih.
It goes in, but question marks have to be asked of his defence. They could have certainly helped him out.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again.
Oke,
And that'll do it.
babak pertama masih 1-0 ya.
Back to it then. The second half begins.
Hulsek. Torstvedt kosong.
Torstvedt.
Torstvedt mahal.
On to Gallagher. Something could be on with this.
Volpato. Tidak bisa diremehkan Volpato. Inilah John Battle.
Well, here it is again, and he shows his quality to beat his man, find a yard of
Si Hulsek
space,
narik
and then his
center
finish.
back-nya ya.
It's quality that.
Duel langsung stans. Chevalier salah tebak.
Off we go. 2-0 the score now. Angelino. And the forward progress continues.
Oke, aman. Santai. Santai.
And the Serie A fare continues to come your way on EA TV as Sassuolo face Monza. And that's one surely not to be missed.
Pras. Pras menang duel walaupun belum bisa mencapai target ya.
Angelino.
At least menang duel dulu lah.
Ryan Cristante. Mancini.
Biarin
Angelino.
aja dia gocek-gocek kayak gitu.
Gianluca Mancini. Cristante. Mancini. Ryan
Anjir.
Cristante. Angelino. In from Angelino. Put it away, but not far.
Duh, Torstvedt kemana lagi? Hah,
And that will do it. Lots of good play, but no Ole. Well, look at the room. They've got to attack now. It's a good ball in behind.
Polsek.
Well, there's another. And they're running away with it now. It's become a question
Siap,
of just
Sek.
how many they'll get.
Well, the move was all about the lightning pace of the break.
Mulai
They
membabi
burst
buta,
out from the
Hosek.
back so quickly. And once it forced
Wah, ini saatnya yang tepat untuk memainkan Leroy Gone bin Sané.
to him, he's never missing. Calm as you like, slots it home.
Ayo Leroy.
It's 3-0 as the ball gets rolling again. Angelino.
Ini nanti bisa kita jual ya perkara
Big instinct
kurang
there to
perform
cut it
atau
out.
gimana. Astaga.
Cristante. Dybala. Ryan Cristante. Genuine chance. Oh, a flawless tackle.
Does well there to stop the chance, didn't he? Real desire there to get it back.
Leroy kuat at least. Agak kontrol bola oke lah, tapi lah.
Paulo Dybala. This is what they've been looking for, the counter-attack.
Mahar, kira-kira mahal.
Couldn't quite take advantage at the end of that. Gallagher. Torstvedt. Conor Gallagher. On to Gallagher. Christian Torstvedt.
No.
That's a good ball. And the keeper's done really well to keep that out. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands.
Asis.
Pass as precise as they come.
Leroy.
It's become a question of just how many they'll get.
Muntir Peida. Montero, siapa Muntir Peida?
Well, here we can see it again, and he shows great ability to get past his man. And what a finish! He goes for power. It was never in doubt.
Anjir, nih pemain-pemain kita pada main berarti, Cuk. Cercati.
He just looks so confident running through.
Anjir, main semenit. Anjir,
There is the final
belum
whistle.
pegang
Plenty
bola.
of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points too.
Skor 4-0, guys. Oke, sangat mantep ya. Montero. Anjir gitu. Gallagher. Volpato 1 gol, Sek 1 gol, 2 gol Berardi, 1 assist J.I. Jazz. Shot akurasi kita 100% ya. Semua masuk. Oke, banyak tim yang imbang. Harusnya kita naik
Grazie
di
mister, è un piacere
posisi
averla ai nostri
ke-6 lah.
microfoni. Era l'ultima domanda.
Carti 5 clean sheet dalam 11 match. GG. 6,8 tapi rating. Pascal Struik balance. Stand tackle. Slide tackle. Circat di white back 2 pekan. Atau defender aja lah ya. Kumi. Biarin situ aja. Gallagher mentok, oke. Torsfeld half winger. Shadow striker. Ndur. Ntar Ndur ini box to box. Sulemana. Ngumoha. Berardi. Kita kasih dia insert forward aja lah ya. Biar nambah skillnya. Gun balance. Volpato. Kita kasih dia insert forward. Atau winger. Winger biar semuanya nambah, oke. Langsung advance. Oke, selanjutnya lawan Monza ya. Oke, Afonsi bisa kita pinjamkan lah nanti di paruh kedua ya. Nah, sementara ini formasi ini GG.
Purtroppo dobbiamo interrompere.
Kita coba training yang lain aja lah ya. Defending kali ya. Intercept. Zone defense. Dissipates. Pass through the gaps. Nah ini. Cocok ini kayaknya. Anjir. Asu. Oke. Save dulu lah ya. Lawan Roma kita menang. Kita peringkat 9 sekarang. Yuk. Tadi si Montero main GG ya. Oke, Murik kali ya, kita rotasi ya. Solemana. Burger kita coba. Circati. Anjir. Gak berani saya ganti Jazz, Pak. Piras. Leroy tadi asis. Good job. Kabar main kabar. Lipani. Anjing gak bawa Gallagher itu. Si Volpato tadi GG juga mainnya. Oke, langsung saja ke Mapei Stadium.
Well, it's a real privilege for us to get in there and see a confident boss at work, getting just the right message across for the game ahead. Hello, and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. Guy Mowbray with you for commentary, alongside Sue Smith. We've got action on the way from Serie A. How do you see this one going, Sue?
Well, it's a pleasure to be here, and I'm anticipating a good game today. The coaching staff have done all they can. Now it's about taking it onto the pitch.
Dia. Anjir, kipernya tinggi, Cuk. Main akademi itu, Mas. Oke.
The first half kicks off, time for the talk to stop and the action to start. Here's the Sassuolo team sheet.
Well, it looks like a 4-2-4, which is a very attacking system, having 4 players in the opposition final third. The 2 midfielders, they'll probably sit and help out the defence, just allowing that front 4 to go and do their thing.
Strauk.
Anjir, ditempel ketat, Cuk. Kita, Cuk.
Wouter Berger. Could be something on.
Astaga. Kabar.
Pessina. Oh, wonderful ball that. Now, this might be promising. They're in here. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. Domenico Berardi. That's a lovely ball. There might be someone building.
Ya ampun, Holset.
That's a great chance to score.
It was, guys, great chance to take the lead. He'll be really annoyed with himself not to put that one away.
Ya Allah. Kemana?
Pessina. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And this could be. Oh, it must be here. Well, he went to try and place it, but maybe power was the answer that time. Wouter Berger. Good pressure on the pitch. And possession given away. Chance to go ahead. It's hit the bar.
Untung, Cuk, gak gol, Cuk.
And there it comes to an end.
Well, they were so close to taking the lead there.
Ya
Just
ampun.
creating these opportunities, and surely the goal will come.
Really open flow to this game now. Trying to
ya
power it
Allah.
in, and composure was surely the key.
Buset ya peluang. Peluang pertama tadi sih yang sayang banget ya. Nah ini Fatah. Burger nggak se-GG Gallagher sih.
Can you pick out the right option? A chance to cross here. Lovely setup.
Aduh,
Got
Struik.
the ball, now what to do with it? Terrific chance.
Astaga,
That
penalti
makes the
cuy.
call. It's straight to the spot. Well, the cards stay in the pocket.
And I'm surprised not to see a yellow for that.
This to strike first. Scores. The penalty efficiently put away. And the game restarts with the score 1-0.
Sabar.
Berger.
Hajar.
And it's in.
Monteiro.
End-to-end stuff here. The lead lasting mere minutes. And we're all level again.
Monteiro.
Well, we can see it again now, and what a wonderfully
Wah,
weighted
lagi-lagi
pass this
assist
is.
dari Berardi,
It's
Pak.
perfect. And
Paham.
what a finish too. Gets his head up, places it past the
Langsung membalas
goalkeeper.
cepat ya.
Brilliant finish.
Matteo Pessina. And the hard work pays off. They won the ball. Pessina. Pushing forward with options available now. And that's a shame for them. Nothing doing.
Alah, offside
Over
lah.
the top and in on goal. And offside rules the assistant referee. Matteo Pessina.
Oke, Soleimana. Oke, babak pertama
And
skor
that's
1
going to
sama.
be it for the first 45 minutes.
Tengahnya kerasa Pak, nggak ada Gallagher sama Torsved.
This could be threatening. Oh, could be here. And that is a magnificent intervention.
Yeah, they disrupted that really well there.
Suleimana. Well, now they could spring the trap. Trying to spark the attack further into life here.
Wah, mantap. Untung kipernya kiper akademi Cuk. Kalau itu atau Sommer udah pasti tepis Cuk.
Well, let's take a look at this again. The cross is
Asis yang
great.
sangat bagus dari Monteiro. Anjir, Monteiro gigi sih. Untung hati-hati nih. Untung Pak, menang tinggi doang kipernya.
So that makes it 2-1, and away we go again. Caprari. Suleimana. Has to turn the
Hajar
right
Bopato.
onto it.
Astaga.
And how has that been kept out.
Oh, no idea. You just expected it to go in from there, but the keeper had other ideas. It's a top-class save.
It's played in now. Teeing up the chance now. We'll have a go. But it's a tame try, or at least that's how the goalkeeper's made it appear. Kolpani. Andrea Kolpani. Izzo. Patrick Chioria. Oh, that's really well cut out. Starting to get interested here.
Burger.
Beautifully weighted ball.
Bahaya.
Trying to force it. And he's missed it. Good heavens.
Well, he's got to score that guy. It's a huge opportunity to equalise.
Ayo Kumi, main Kumi. Kun.
And he's made a real difference today. And the manager now bringing him off after a solid shift. Stroud. And on to Berger.
Good job. Astaga, terlalu masuk.
There to cut it out.
Pascal mundur.
Gianluca Caprari.
Sumpah, Kumi ini ngapain ke situ?
Promise developing. And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Lojek. Well, they could get caught out on the break here. And this could be.
Astaga.
And the keeper reads it well and saves. Matteo Pessina. Caprari. Patrick Chioria. Not long left, and here they come. Kolpani. And the attack collapses.
Well, nice approach, wasn't it? But the final
Kumi,
ball just wasn't
alah
there.
Kumi. Ah, good.
And the danger is cleared. Roja. Lovely setup. What a chance here. Yet to find a way to goal. Still under threat here.
Alah, Kumi.
There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away. Not least the 3 points too.
Saya
Yeah,
nanti
it was
kalau
a close game. Lots
kita main di Eropa nggak bisa pakai pemain kayak gitu-gitu. Untung kita menang, Pak.
Ringraziamo il mister per aver accettato di rispondere ad alcune domande.
Struijk walaupun menyebabkan penalti tapi dia bermain sangat bagus ya.
Grazie ancora per le sue impressioni.
Tengah kita harus beli sih, Pak. Circati. Juga Volpato. Berardi. Gak tergantikan sang kapten. Anjir, Milan. Oke, peringkat ketiga ya melawan peringkat ke-6. Oke, ini mungkin match terakhir ya di episode kali ini ya. Torsvet. Kita fisioterapi, cendur, Kembali. Pre-match training. Lock dribble. Inside the zone dribble. Anjir, akrobatik nggak perlu sih. Set piece. Shot power. Game changer. Chip shot. Enggak, ini aja lah. Penalty against goalkeeper. Anjir, GG itu Rati. Wih, itu Rati. Ready drill sih. Ganturati. Oke. Ya, game changer, power shot, finest shot. Oke. Save dulu lah ya. Bam. Si ini main GG sih tadi. Volpato. Tengah no ya. Si Volpato itu lumayan tinggi pak. Ini juga tinggi sayap-sayap kita. Skelerup. Umino. Mending Lipani kah? Topiras. Kita kasih jam terbang nanti. Oke, langsung aja ke Giuseppe Meazza San Siro, Kota Milan.
There's no escaping the controversy. Dropping a key player is never an easy thing to do, but the manager has made the call and is sticking to it. Will it work out for him today? Hello and welcome on this very wintry day. Conditions far from ideal. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by my partner Stuart Robson. And the focus is very much on Serie A, the top division here in Italy. Your
Kalau kurang memuaskan ya terpaksa kita harus mendatangkan striker kelas A ya, yang ada di daftar kemarin. Either itu Lautaro atau masuk Turam. Tapi kalau sini nggak mungkin. Anjir, Boniface kesini dong. Siapa nomor 32? Tony De Winter. Siapa kaptennya, Pak? Hah? Bentar, masa itu bukan Fofana sih? Fofana kurang gede segitu, Pak. Love to check Leao. Pulisic udah dijual berarti. Nah, Boniface kita lihat-lihat aja ya striker lawan. Boniface seperti apa nantinya. Anjir, kaptennya nomor 3, Cuk. Maldini kah?
Well, it's a 3-5-2, but the key
Tomori,
player is
De
the
Winter,
holding
dan
midfield
Danilo.
player. Not only does he protect the
Fofana
back
yang
three,
tadi ya.
he also is their link-up
Chukwueze,
man
Loftus
when they
Cheek,
play out
Leao,
from the back. He has
Oyarzabal,
to play
Boniface,
well.
anjir. Jimenez, Pulisic, Terracciano, Morata, dan Gabia dijual berarti. Modric pensiun kah? Anjir, Danilo yang pernah main di Juventus tuh ya. Sekarang masih di Juventus. Gak terlalu ngikutin, Pak. Oke, langsung saja kick off. Giuseppe Meazza, San Siro. Sayap mereka sih kesit semua sih itu. Chukwueze sama Leao, apalagi Leao ya. Sprintnya bahaya, Pak.
Oh, managing to beat him. Yusuf Fofana. This is Loftus-Cheek. Well, they have the ball again.
Anjir, tak kira pemain musuh itu tadi wasit ternyata.
Adam Krojek.
Astaga, anjir si Danilo, Cuk.
This is Loftus-Cheek. And a scoring update for you from the Bologna game. Let's hear about that goal from Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Torino. It's now 1-0.
Aduh.
Minutes on the clock.
Oh no, what a chance this is!
Struik mahal. Siapa cedera itu?
Now, who can he play it to? Radio. This is Loftus-Cheek. Thoughtful play. Good chance.
Oke, buang aja, bahaya.
From danger. No nonsense clearance behind for the corner. Now the goalkeeper
Fofana
said
cedera.
there was no pressure
Ganti.
whatsoever. Korsted. Well, Sassuolo were the winners when last we saw them against Monza. How might this game go for them? What are your thoughts?
Well, I thought they just about deserved their victory. They played with great energy. Today, though, I think it'll be totally different. They'll struggle to
Gak
get
usah, Pak.
possession, and as a result,
Susah,
they'll
susah,
probably
susah.
get nothing from the game.
Samuel Ricci dijual kah? Jasari.
Conor Gallagher. Gallagher. And on to Torsved.
Anjir, nggak bisa press.
And back to the keeper. Paz. Gallagher.
Supras.
City of it. Rafael Leao. Yusuf Fofana.
Alah.
Doing well to keep possession.
It's a good bit of skill, isn't it?
Could be dangerous. Playing with patience. And made sure the pass wasn't troublesome.
Anjir, licin salju.
Tomori. On the ball, Chukwueze. Oyarzabal. Played into the box.
Astaga, ya Allah, Turati.
Control. 1-0 here.
Jadi cek gede, Cuk.
Replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And look at the pressure he was under there. It makes a very good header and an excellent one.
Christian Torsved. Berardi has it. Opportunity.
Oke, corner
Could be
kick.
useful to them.
Supportnya dari Volpato kurang, Pak.
Who can he pick out? And taking
Kok
care of the situation.
nggak Bang Jai kemana sih dia?
Oh, good run this. Now what can he do with it? Rabiot.
Oke, babak pertama kita masih tertinggal 1-0 ya.
So the referee's whistle as the action is restarted. Project.
Alah.
Save there. Who can they pick out?
Bang Jai kalah sih.
Not the best clearance. Well, as an official,
Weh,
you have to be
siap.
cautious when it comes
Aduh,
to an
Bang
injury
Jai cedera,
situation like this one.
anjir. Aduh, lama ini pasti. Astaga. Ada Cercati sih, tapi masuk Leo Tomori sama
Following
Rabiot.
that stoppage, the referee will restart the game with a drop ball. Now, plenty of live football coming your way right here on EA TV.
Well, that should be a really good game between two entertaining teams in a great stadium.
Committed challenge. Oyarzabal. Rafael Leao.
Ayo jangan diam.
Fofana. And nicely over the top. Given away by Rabiot.
Well,
You might say he'll be happy with some aspects of his performance so far, but not every aspect.
Well, I think he's been a little bit off the pace today. Yes, he's been tightly marked, but he hasn't done enough to receive the ball in space. I think he's got to work
at
a
least
lot
cetak
harder
satu
to
gol
set
lah,
up.
imbang lah, at least lah. Anjing. Ya Allah, kok dilepasin Montero.
Doing well to keep
Montero mulai ngelawak anjing.
that one out. Now sending it in. Denied by the bar. Back in play here.
Astaga.
High up. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance.
Well, that would certainly have put them in a great position. But with only a one-goal lead, they're never going to be able to relax.
Well, they have to
Astagfirullahaladzim.
have that sense of self-belief. It could happen for them.
Volpato, aduh, Torsvet kintil.
Well, not covering himself in glory defensively.
Cuk, bolanya nggak kelihatan, cuk, sumpah.
Well, useful ball. And just like that, broken up.
Walah.
Can he score? Marvellous anticipation. Project. Oh, moving it nicely.
Ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah.
Well, no way through there.
Santiago Jimenez.
Anjing ini yang
Completely bossed the game in the last 15 minutes and are playing some great attacking football. They just need to get another, and that would surely wrap it up.
anjir Kak cedera, cuk. Metik aja lah. Skelerup kah? Jir, Pulisic. Turici. Nomor 4. Jasari nggak ada tadi.
Danger building. Well, a promising looking attack, but comes to nothing in the end. Now we have a plethora of live matches coming up for you here on EA TV. This one, I think, might pique your curiosity.
Astaga,
What a game that will be. Two
offside
good
sih.
teams in a great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Gallagher
Giving the
kalah.
ball away. And teammates around him. Well, still pushing forward. It's a matter of whether or not they can come up with an
Astagfirullah,
equaliser.
ya Allah.
Well, just hearing things have changed in the Bologna game, so it seems like a good time to join Alex Scott.
They've pulled one back and now trail by one with 84 minutes played.
Many thanks, Alex.
Serangan terakhir.
Gallagher. Berardi has it. Well, there is going to be stoppage time, but only the 1 minute. Oh, that's splendid play.
Pas.
And that is the end of the contest.
Oke,
and
kelang
not a
pertama
happy
di episode
outcome
kali
as
ini
far
ya.
as the visitors are concerned.
Well, Derek, not quite good enough today. Yes, they only lost by 1 goal, but I never felt...
Apalah. Anjir, pemain kita cedera lagi, JJ asu.
Grazie, mister. È un piacere averla ai nostri microfoni. Era l'ultima domanda.
Berapa hari, Pak? Anjing, 2 bulan, bangsat. Astaga. Kita save dulu lah ya. Discolate Soldier, anjir. Peringkat ke-10, cuk. Anjir, habis lawan Milan langsung lawan Juventus. Ini ntar dulu. Mau transfer Indo Januari kan. Oke. Ini tadi pertandingan terakhir ya melawan AC Milan ya. Toh saya akhiri saja. Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.